Hi, today I just want to give you a quick tip if you might have the same problem I was facing with when I was developing SQLite applications in Free Pascal Lazarus, and close the Lazarus environment, and when I was reopening the environment, then it was simply hanging and it was not able to load the application which I was working on. So basically the issue what you might face with is like this. You try to load your latest application, and it's simply hanging and it's not loading at all. What is behind this and how you can get rid of this behavior? Because if you try it several times with the same file, it will still hanging and it will not load at all. Maybe it takes some time to get it loaded with some error messages, but basically you don't want to spend your half-life on this kind of issues. So get it right now to the quick fix. So at first you need to stop the application. In Windows you use the Control Shift Escape button, and then you will see the Lazarus exe application running. But of course, because it's hanging and trying to load the SQLite database in the background, but there is some issues with it, you can't load it. So you need to end this task at first, and then you need to go to the directory where you have your application, and if you know exactly on which form it was failing, you can simply go to that form in the folder. So you select the actual form itself, uh, right click on it and open it with a notepad. So once you open it, you can see that you have the different form components on your list, and you should go down to the SQLite data sets, which are basically trying to be open at design time. And this is somewhat a kind of issue with the development environment, that you can already see the database itself if you set it to active and you set up all the relevant information in the IDE, table name, SQL statement, and so on. So what is needed to identify the fields and the table name itself, and of course the database file itself. And once you set it to active, then the system is already working with the database, and you can basically see what you are doing. If you are filtering something in the SQL statement, then you can also see the result right away. But the problem here is that whenever you try to open your application, and this setting or this property is set to true, and the database itself couldn't be loaded for some reason, then the IDE start to hang. And this is typically a Windows issue, because on Linux IDE or Linux environment, I never had this problem. So even if the application had the active state or active property in true, this was never failing. So you could always load the application, whatever you did with the file name, or you deleted the database, or you did whatever, but it was still opening up without any issue. So back to the resolution. So at first you need to set this active statements to false, and of course you might have more SQLite data sets in your application. On this example, I only have one of these objects, so this can be the only issue here. So then you save the LFM file, and you should not change anything, as this might be mess up your home or your whole environment or the application development itself, so you should not edit more than this property, and then you can close the file and you can start to open again the application. So let's open it from here, and as you can see that now the application is loaded without any issue. So now if I go back again here and I set it to active, as you can see it's immediately showing an error, so there is no such table that names, and then this was basically the issue. When I tried to open the file, it couldn't find the database with this table name existing, and because of this it was not generating this error message, but it was trying to load somehow the database file itself. So whenever you have an issue here and you try to open the file, then of course you will get this error message, and you can continue to work with the file, because the property itself is automatically set back to false, so you cannot go into this issue again in the environment. But if you close the file and then you do something with the database, modify it with an external application, which might be needed, because when you are developing your application, is typically you are not developing it from an empty database. You want to set up certain data already, or you just build your application on available information in a database, then you might have this issue that anything was changing, or the file itself was missing, then the automatic loading was not possible. So this can happen anytime if you set this property to true and you didn't have any issue with your application. You have many features, many forms with similar setups, and you simply forget to deactivate or make this property false on every form, and then you might run into this issue. So that's the way how you can solve it. If you have this problem in Windows, so don't worry about this. You just need to close the Lazarus environment and open up the LFM file um, with an external application, and then you can basically change this property to false, and then everything will work fine. This was all what I wanted to share with you today. I hope I could help you to avoid this kind of issues for your development. And if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And with this, I wish you happy coding, and see you next time.